Top 5 most dangerous militaries in the world. What if I told you one military could wipe out humanity in under an hour? From city-flattening nukes to AI-powered killer drones, these armies make Hollywood look tame. Today, we expose the 5 most terrifying militaries on Earth. Where the US isn't just on the list, it's rewriting the rules of doomsday. Stay locked in. This might change how you sleep tonight. 1. United States military. The god of war. 5,800 plus nukes, enough to erase civilization, 12 times over. B-21 Raider stealth bombers that slip past any radar. 886 billion budget, bigger than next. 11 countries combined. Nightmare tech. Hypersonic missiles hitting NYC to LA in 15 mins. Autonomous drone swarms that hunt like wolves. Soldiers with bionic eyes spotting targets 3 miles away. Elite units. SEAL Team 6. Took down bin Laden in a 40-minute raid inside enemy territory. Space Force. Controls satellites that could blind entire armies in seconds. Is some dark fact. America's nuclear launch codes fit in a briefcase carried by a 29-year-old anywhere on Earth. 2. Russian armed forces. 6,257 nukes, including Satan Tutu, a missile that flattens Texas-sized areas. Poseidon torpedo creates radioactive tsunamis to poison coastlines for decades. Brutal tactics. Spetsnaz commandos who inject enemies with untraceable poisons. T-14 Armada tanks that self-repair mid-battle. Psychological warfare. Hackers who shut down Ukraine's power grid in winter just to freeze civilians. Chilling stat. Russia's deadliest nuke test vaporized an island and cracked windows 500 miles away. 3. China's PLA, People's Liberation Army. The Silent Dragon. 2.3 million soldiers. World's largest human wave. Hypersonic missiles that dodge US defenses by flying, like a meteor shower. Digital domination. AI drones that choose targets without humans. Hackers stealing F-35 blueprints in 24 hours. Social media bots turning US protests into riots. Expansion. Secret bases on artificial islands. Space lasers to cook satellites. Future threat. China plans robot soldiers with facial recognition programmed for ethnic targeting. 4. Israeli Defense Forces. IDF. David's slingshot. Now a nuke. 80 nukes hidden in deserts. Iron Dome. Shoots down 500 rockets an hour at 90% accuracy. Mossad's bullet to the eye policy. Agents assassinate enemies. In crowded cafes. Real-life sci-fi. AI that predicts terror attacks 3 days early. Spy cockroaches crawling through vents. EMP guns that melt car engines. Mission Impossible. Mossad stole Iran's nuclear archives from a locked vault in 6 hours. 5. Indian Armed Forces. Giants of the Himalayas. 1.5 million troops. Fighting at Tier 60 degrees Celsius altitudes. Agni VI missile. Can nuke Beijing in 12 minutes. Elite units. Para-SF commandos who skydive onto glaciers at 23,000 feet. Marco's frogmen planting bombs on warships while sharks circle. 2019 surgical strike. Crossed into Pakistan, destroyed terror camps and returned before dawn. 0 casualties. Icy hell. Indian soldiers guard Siachen Glacier, where more die from cold than bullets.